Hello, my design and modeling scholars. This is Mr. Cofield. I'm doing this video so I can explain some things that you need to do while we're out for this COVID-19. First of all, I'd like for you to go to your Canvas. When you go to your Canvas, you're going to see this page here. They got home, announcement, assignments, conference, models, quizzes, and collaboration. Uh, every day especially on Tuesdays and Thursday, you are to go to or you can go any day and look at the announcements. You click on announcements and see, just like what I have here, Zoom meeting that we had back on April the 8th that no one attended. Uh, and also we had another meeting, then I had a student that needed help with Canvas. Okay, by the way, but you can go to announcement. You click on announcement. It's going to have all your announcements. If you want to reply to anything in announcements, then you just hit the reply and type in, you hit reply, and then you type in anything in here that you need to reply back to me about. Just pick that reply, and then you type in whatever you want to in here. Then once you type the information in, then you go down to where it say, I think it should be saying post or submit. And you just click that, and then it's gonna send the information back to me. All right, let's go to next. Go to assignments. Your assignments, like right now, you have a do now. You click on the do now. It's gonna open up. All right. Then what I want you to do when you do now, I want you to respond to that do now and answer the do now, and then you'll send that back to me. Then you go back to assignment. Then you go to multiple sketch and design. Click that. It's gonna open up. You get click on the link above and go to multiple view sketch and lesson. So you click on this hyperlink. Hyperlink will take you to the multiple sketching. I just want you to read over the sketching, your orthographic projection, and then you'll look at your next one. Then you'll look at like your top, front, and your side views. Then adding dimensions to it, I need you just look all that over. And then after you read over that, you go back and it said click on the link above and go okay above, go to the multi-view and sketch and lesson. You've done that. Then you say read the information, then make the example on your sketch. So what you're going to do, you're gonna go here. When you click on that link, you're gonna click on this flag. Now you're gonna just click on your keypad where it says Z, and it's gonna erase all this. All that's gone. Let me see, can I go back to let me get this. I'm gonna try to go back to your course. It's not letting me. Hold on. Let's go back. What I want you to do is see right here. I want you to try to make a side, not with dimensions. I just want you to make this top view, front view, and side view. You're gonna do this on here. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna click here. Once that's gray, you can connect the dot here. All right, once it's gray, all right, Yeah, once it's gray, then you connect that one. You don't have to play with it. And once it turns gray, you keep drawing, then you click, but you're gonna have to go back and forth with this drawing to do this. After you have completed that sketch on this, I don't know if you can save it, but what you do, you can just right click and you can copy the image and you can send it through your Google Classroom or whatever to me, and you can do it uh, on Canvas. You can attach it to Canvas, you can attach it to Canvas, and you can send it that way. As long as I received it, that's fine with me. But anyway, you're going to go back, you're going to do that after complete that. Top, front, and side view. That's the only, let's see. I think that's the only thing you're, okay, that's the same thing. Okay, all right. But you're going to do a top, side, and front view uh, of that multi-dimensional drawing. And once you send it, like I said, send it to me. And that's the end of the assignment. The assignment is due by the 24th. So go ahead and complete that, have that done, and that's it. If you got any question or anything, all you have to do is go to announcements. You can go and you can hit reply on announcements anywhere on here. And like I said, type in, hit reply, then type in your information. Then click down the bottom, post or either submit. Down in the corner on the right, down here. And send it to me. That's it. Y'all have a nice day. Bye-bye.